Here I am to explain you how to save your Adobe Illustrator file. Let's assume this is our file which we want to save. Alright, so what we have to do is just to go on the file option, and here you can see save as, and you can simply do it by shift control plus S. So save, let's assume I want to save it on the desktop, so give it any name. Let's assume TK and save. So we have successfully saved our file. So what we want to do, so here you can see the TK file in the A format that we just saved. Now clicking it to open. So here it takes some time to open. So as you can see, it's opened again. So now you can edit whatever you want to do and save it again, simply the same way as you did previously. So thanks for watching the video. This is for today.